Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video I present to you some small interior decoration for your dreamy farmhouse. I think you'll like it. Let's start the video. For a creative small entrance decor in a farmhouse style, you can consider the following ideas. Barn door welcoming sign. Use a rustic barn door as a welcoming sign at the entrance. You can paint a friendly greeting on it. Wagon wheel decor. Hang on wagon wheel on the wall and use it as a unique piece of decor. You can add some potted plants to give it a more natural feel. Antique milk can with flowers. Place an antique milk can near the entrance and fill it with seasonal flowers. Wooden craft shelving. Install wooden crates on the wall to create shelves for small plants, vintage books, or decorative items. Weathered wood bench. Add a weathered wood bench for sitting. You can also place a cozy throw blanket and some throw pillows for comfort. Farmhouse signac. Decorate with farmhouse style sign that have quotas or messages related to home and family. Messenger lighting. Hang messenger pendant light to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Vintage hooks and baskets. Install vintage hooks for coats and hats. And hang oven basket for storage. Rustic mirror. Hang a rustic mirror to make the space look larger and for a touch of vintage charm. Garden theme decor. Incorporate elements from the garden, such as a small herb garden, a watering can, or a wooden wheelbarrow. Remember to keep the decor simple, with natural materials and a neutral color palette to maintain the farmhouse aesthetic. Farmhouse bench. Place a rustic bench with throw pillows for sitting. Wooden crates. Stack wooden crates for a unique storage solution. Wooden dot bowls. Use dot bowls as decorative centerpieces. Window boxes. Install window boxes with blooming flowers. Fox animal hides. Lay fox animal hides or rugs for a cozy touch. Chippy painted furniture. Refinish furniture to achieve a chippy paint look. Framed botanical prints. Hang framed botanical prints on the walls. Pitchfork decor. Incorporate old pitchfork as a decor pieces. Glass front cabinets. Consider glass fronted cabinets to display dishware. Vintage suitcases. Stack vintage suitcases for a unique side table. Horseshoe decor. Hang horseshoes for a bit of western flair. Rudders. Hang rudders made of cotton, eucalyptus, or boxwood for a fresh look. Farmhouse clock. A large rustic wall clock can become a focal point. Old wooden ladder. Use an old wooden ladder as a decorative element or for hanging coils. Farmhouse lighting. Choose pendant lights and candlelights with the farmhouse flare. Farm animal decor. Decorate with items related to farm animals like roosters or cows. Farmhouse style is a laid-back personality in decor form. It is full of charm and character, neutral color palettes, and carefree vibes. There is no better spot in your house to emphasize farmhouse style than the entryway, which welcome guests and you into a warm, inviting space, perfect for coming home to after a trying day, or perfect for showing guests what a warm, relaxed host you are. Whether that means shiplap walls or wood accent, vintage art, or a place to store your Williamstown boots, there are plenty of ways, both big and small, to introduce a farmhouse feel into your entryway. Scroll on for a few of your favorites. There are two important aspects of any entryway: a comfortable spot to sit and take your shoes off, and a mirror to get one last lipstick check before leaving the house. This interior impression design space has both, creating a cozy farmhouse style entryway that is nothing but inviting. Shades of grey, stunt, and natural wood make for an ultra elegant farmhouse entryway. Bonus: tonal color palettes are easy to accessorize too. Take inspiration from this video entryway, which employed that palette as well as an oversized mirrors and Altatrian basket to make for an invaluable farmhouse entryway. Ordering hot art to hang in your entryway. Here is a great idea. Hit up your local vintage shop for painted potteries. They can be framed or unframed. The unframed look of an art piece makes it feel down to earth and a bit unfinished, just as a farmhouse entryway should be. Sometimes it is best to pare it back. A motto can be applied to all parts of your life instead of an elaborate entryway setup. Your home's first impression sweet and simple, with just a chair to sit and take off your shoes. Would not want those rainbows chucking through this house. If you are working to high ceilings in your entryway, lucky you, but sure to highlight them with a light features that draws your eye up, like these geometric pieces. The mudroom is the first thing you see when you walk in, providing a space to shade outerwear. And next to it is a powder bath that has a dog bath and boot washing station. Beautiful and practical. I express my sincere gratitude to those whose tireless work, designs, and images I have presented to you in the form of videos. As a result of their hard work, our house is decorated like a dream. Don't forget to like this video if you find it useful. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.